Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk you through how to access your library account on our library catalog website. This will let you place holds and check on the status of your holds and current checkouts. This is for physical materials through the library system. So to start, you're going to want to open up a web page and then type in the website name, which is TDS for Traverse to Sioux mt.iii.com. And it's a good idea to bookmark this website because it is kind of a more unusual domain name. And that's what it looks like. So right away, this is what the library catalog homepage looks like. You can see that there are some green square links up at the top. And they can take you to My Account, which is where you can check on your library materials and holds. Overdrive ebooks, which will take you to Overdrive so that you can see some ebooks. That's a great place to get to Overdrive. eBooks Minnesota, which is another database resource that you can use. Databases and research, which is some more research databases that are available. And MinLink, which is what you use for ordering books outside of the Traverse to Sioux library system. You can also search by putting something into the search box down below and then pressing on the search button, which is a great way to get materials from other libraries and see what's available. So I'm going to start by logging in, and you can do that by clicking on the blue login button, which is up in the upper right hand corner, and it will take you to this login page. If you have logged in the past, then you already know what your password is. If you've never logged in before, you can try your last name, because if the library set your password for you, that is what it will be. And if that doesn't work, then you can go ahead and create a new password by typing in your library barcode number and then just pressing submit. So start by putting in your library barcode number. This will be the 14-digit code on the back of your library card, and it should start with 20615, and you do need to type in the entire number. And this is just a sample card that we use for tutorials. Once you are signed in, if you go up to that upper right hand corner again, you can see a blue logout button when you're done with your session. But for now, you can also see a link called My Account. And if you click on that My Account button, it will take you to your account where you can actually see all of the details about your account. So you can see right now that this library card's checkouts are 0, the holds are 0, I have $0 in fines. So that's a quick way to see if I did have items checked out on this card. You would be able to see the due date and whether or not they were renewed, and you can also renew items all from this same page. So let me show you how to place a hold. If you go ahead and type anything into the search box, it will give you lots of different results, and you can always scroll down and find the one that you're looking for. In this case, this brought back 256 results. You could see the number up in the left-hand side. And underneath that result number, there are also a number of facets that you can use to narrow your search options. So right now, as you can see, there's a lot of different Harry Potter books that are showing up here. There are some books in the series. There are some books by other people about the series, and it also includes DVDs and audiobooks. Now, if I wanted to limit it to just one type of item, I could go over to the left-hand side and click on the book. And then it's going to show me only books, no DVDs, no audiobooks, no large print. And that narrows the search down to 177. You can also limit the items if you, again, look on that left-hand side. If you look under collection, you can limit the items to a certain library so that you can see only the items that are available at your library right now that you would be able to pick up today versus an item available at a different library that you will have to wait to come in through interlibrary loan. So I'm going to click on St. James and then tap on apply and see what is available just in St. James. There are other facets you can use as well. You can look for different languages or search for certain publishing years if you're looking for books that are older or newer than a certain date. And it's a great way to narrow your search down so that you really receive the results that you're looking for. So for today, let's go ahead and open up Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, parts 1 and 2. I'm going to click on the English version right there. And that will open that item's actual record. And here you can see some information about the book. And lower down, you can see all of the different libraries that have a copy and whether or not they're available. And you can see if it's not available, it will have a due and then a date. If it is available, it will say available. And you might sometimes see other words there. It could say missing or lost, and that means that it's not available. If you scroll down further below all of the libraries, you can also see some information. So this might tell you if this is really the item that you're looking for. It will have a summary sometimes or some subjects or genres, and it just generally gives you some more information about the item that you're looking at. It could also tell you whether or not an item is abridged or if it's been translated from a different language. Once you're sure that this is the item that you want to place a hold on, you could go ahead and tap on the gray Request It button that is next to the title. It has a little ribbon shape on it. And once you tap that, it will open up a pop-up box that says, where would you like to pick this title up from? I would like to pick it up in St. James, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the gray Submit button. And then it says, your request for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, parts 1 and 2 was successful. When it's ready, you'll be able to pick up this material at Watonwan County, St. James. And I'm going to tap on the OK. And then you can see a new box has appeared that says you've placed this item on hold. Now, if I go back up to the top and tap on my account again in that upper right-hand corner, it will take us to my account, and I can now see that under holds, I have 1. And I can see the title of the item I have on hold. I can see the status. Right now the status is empty because nothing has happened to this book yet since I just placed it on hold. But eventually you will be able to see when it becomes in transit that it will show up right there. You can also see the pickup location and the cancel if not filled by date, which just means that the system will automatically clear out that hold by that date if it is not filled. Now, if you decide that you no longer want an item, you can always tap the box next to the title under cancel and then tap on update list. And that will bring you to this page which says the following holds will be updated. Would you like to proceed? Yes, I want to cancel that hold. And you can see that I no longer have a hold there.